going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let her rip. H100, heads up recovery, it's a streamer, experimental, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. There it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. H100 going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. H100 experimental stream. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Christopher Neplin. I'm a junior at Pioneer High School. I'm here with Pioneer's high-powered rocketry group. One thing I really like about this rocketry is it's kind of cool seeing like not even just our rockets, but like all of the rockets that are launching here today, how high a lot of them go. Because like some of these rockets are pretty high, and even the ones that are kind of low-powered still go way higher than I'd like think they would.
Eric, 11th grade. I'm Larry, 11th grade as well. That's something we learned during rocketry, is that we learned how to build a rocket from scratch.
What I liked about it is we collaborated a lot. It was like good like hands-on skills, and we also like applied like science into like real-world situations like rockets.
My name is Edward. I'm a freshman, and one thing that I really liked about this rocketry program was learning about the mechanics of how rockets work.